Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We haven't been documenting as much as we like because we're so busy trying to get some cars done. This is Mr. Javi's personal car. Javi.
Mr. Javi.
Mr. Javi. What do we got here, Javi? Tell the viewers that don't know what this beauty is.
We have a 1948 DeSoto two-door sedan.
What are we doing to this car?
We are completely repainting the car
Why?
because it's not perfect and we want to make it as perfect as possible.
That's right. So I was able to, we had a paint class. So I was able to work on this for a little bit with you. We ended up doing all the body work. We had our paint class, now we're back on it, and I want to get this in the booth so we can finish blocking the stuff and start 2K'ing some of these parts here, and then get it ready for paint. So we already have the roof is painted and patterned. You did the patterns, how long ago you think you did on that? 2 years ago. What did you end up using on this one? It was interstellar?
We used some interstellar pearls and some candies.
So
we mixed them together.
Are we going different with this one on colors?
No, same color.
Same color.
We're just gonna brighten it up with some pinstriping and some airbrushing.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm masking right now.
It's your salt.
Oh, is it?
Oh, no.
So basically right now we're just covering up the door jambs so we don't get this nasty overspray in them. So for now we'll just tape it up, make it nice, and get it ready to cruise it and show it.
I ended up doing the body work on this. Javi is sanding the whole car with 180 to get it ready for epoxy sealer. The base coat is in great shape, but we want to make sure we put everything in epoxy sealer. We don't know what type of paint this is or what type of quality paint. The last thing I want to do is when I put a fresh coat of tropical Glitz paint on it, I don't want to have an issue of it reacting, wrinkling, or bubbling. So we're going to lock that layer down, and Javi right now going through the whole process of sanding the car down in 180. So Javi had decided to delete the antenna hole. So we're gonna get this prepped and ready so we can delete the antenna hole. So I got a nice little square, pretty crude circle. It's hard for you to see it. There you go. Did a little crude circle, and I'm gonna just end up tracing this right on top of this and make it ideal. So I'm just gonna start with my round corner, and I see I have to do a nice little round corner on this thing. Now you guys don't see it on the camera, but I can see it down here. Cool. Clean it up. It's a little circle. Recording. Did it record? I don't know. Let's see. Now I'm recording. So Javi's blowing the air. CNC machine's on. So on this one, we're not removing any of the pot metal because the owner, Javi, is worried the spot metal is so fragile and it's very hard to find the replacement. So we're actually just trying to sand all the way around these pop metal and the emblem on the grill to make this work. All right, we have, if you guys have been following on, we've been working on the 48 DeSoto. That's Javi's car. We have it pretty much ready for epoxy sealer. I'll give you a little tour here. And you saw that when I shaved this. Did all the body work, really didn't have a lot. Ended up blocking most of the hood. We're gonna end up spraying. We had a nice little crease here we ended up taking care of, and a wave here, and a little bit of rust back there. We ended up doing a patch panel, but we have everything pretty much ready to go. And we're gonna spray 3 coats of epoxy sealer, or southern polyurethane. SPI is what we use and sell. And then block that with 600. Well, we'll put some the epoxy and then a little filler on top of that and block that out and just touch it up. And then hopefully have this ready to paint. What do you think? What do you think so far on the project, bro?
I'm excited to see it done. Got this car 3 years already. So I'm ready.
Let's go. Done deal.